Hi, I'm Pat with Brickworks Property Restoration. Today we're at PNC Towers in beautiful Troy, Michigan. We're here doing some foundation waterproofing. The management company showed us some areas where they've had some water infiltration. So today we are removing some of the old work, and we'll be doing some high pressure waterproofing injection. So the process here is we actually will drill holes into the wall. We'll install our high pressure ports, and then we will follow that by sealing the crack with an epoxy that keeps the foam from wanting to come out. And then we're going to go ahead and inject with our high pressure pump. And this will let the material go all the way into the crack, to the back, to the outside of the crack, and sort of fill the entire crack up. It looks like the other attempts were with a low pressure, and sometimes that's not filling the crack up completely, and there's always areas to still have water infiltration. So this is a method that we use that I feel is superior and to stop this water from coming in the foundation. So if you are a property manager or a multifamily or in need of this type of work, please give us a call at 877-MASONRY, and we'll be happy to come out and assess your situation and definitely recommend the proper repairs.
Nobody does it better than Brickworks.